Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup. So if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are gonna do this eye makeup and we are gonna rearrange the Natasha Denona Metropolis because I want to get re-inspired by it. So if you want to see that, please keep on watching. Hi guys, so in today's video we are gonna do another type of video. I thought maybe I could rearrange the Metropolis palette by Natasha Denona because I really like this palette, but I thought maybe if I rearrange the shades, maybe I will get re-inspired. I will keep this thing with the names, but I don't really care about them. If you have the palette, I think it's easy to recognize the shades. So I have a needle in here and I will just pop the shades out with it. And I will put them on the side and then rearrange them. So these are the singles right now. I really love that Natasha is doing this thing that you can rearrange the palette. If you have all midi palettes or the small ones or the bigger versions, you can rearrange them and combine them and everything. So I think this is very creative and I really like that. And now I will group them. I'll do a green group and maybe some bronzes, I will see. And then maybe I will decide how I'm gonna put them, but let's arrange them first. Okay, so something like this. In here I have the more orange and reddish tones, then we have the colorful ones, and then we are going into golds, maroons, browns and something like that. So I will start with this color and this group and then going into this one and then the colorful part in the end. And let's start doing them in here and then I'm gonna put them in a palette at the end. So for some reason I like the last row to be the colorful one. In here we have the more reddish orange tones and in here we have the golds, and then this row and going into the last one is more colorful, a bit. These two shades are a bit more on the greenish side. So this is the final look of the palette. I really like it. It looks more neutral to me right now because this blue was in here, so the colorful shades were all over the palette, and now is just the last row that's more colorful. But I really like it, and I think now I know that it's truly a neutral palette with a twist. So yeah. So let's move on to the look. Okay, so let's do the look. I have the palette in here. I already primed my eyes, so let's look at it right now. I really think it's more, I don't know, cohesive for my brain, but yeah, I think you can rearrange any palette that can be rearranged in any order that you like. And yeah, so I really want to do something more coppery, maybe with this shade or these ones in here with some gold. So yeah, I want to start with the orange in here. I'm taking a Rubloff fluffy brush and I will blend this into the crease like this. This is just a beautiful orange. I really like it. Very pigmented, very easy to blend. I think I'll do the lower lash line maybe green, so we're gonna let that clean for now. Pencil brush, and like usual I'll put this very light shimmer on the brow bone. One thing that I would change for this palette, I think I would prefer one of these golds, because in here we have a lot of golds. They are kind of different, but you know, I don't think I will need all of them. I would prefer one of these golds to be a matte white. I think a matte white would be very handy, but of course I can go to other palettes for that, but I would have loved to have that in here. Taking this e.l.f. brush, and we are gonna use this brown. This one is a cream powder, and I'll put that in here and into the crease. Okay, so something like this. I'll put a bit of pigment primer with this BH flat brush. And then I will take this shimmer that's a bit on the greenish side and put that on the lid. And this will connect the top part and the lower. Let's move on to the lower lash line. I'm taking this angle brush and this very dark green. I'm blending the edges with a clean brush and then building a bit more with that green. Okay, and with the same angle brush, I'm taking this shimmery dark green and I will spray this brush and I'm just putting it on top of the green. Okay, and now with the same flat brush, I will apply a bit more of that greenish gold in here. And lastly, I'm putting just a bit of that light shimmer in my inner corner. So these are the eyes. Okay, so let me apply some mascara, some pencils on my waterline, and I'll be right back. So these are the eyes. I really love this look. I think it's my favorite that I did with this palette. I don't want to say that rearranging the shadows made me do a better look, but it happened. If you like the video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.